Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with you a really cool extension that I've found. It's called SelecText, and basically what it lets you do is copy text from video. I find it especially useful when doing coding tutorials. It lets you select all the texts in the video, and it really reduces the amount of errors that you produce when trying to learn or build something new. To install it, go ahead and go to the Chrome Web Store, and in the search store bar, type in SelecText. It's all one word. And it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead, click on it. I've already installed it, but just click on Add to Chrome. And then from there, once it's installed, go ahead and go to the video that you want to get the text from. I'll be using a tutorial that I've made. You're going to want to go to the part of the video that you want the text from, and I'm going to blow it up to make it easier. On the top left hand corner there's going to be an S toggle. You're going to go ahead and toggle it on. It's going to start detecting all of the text on the screen. From there, just use the left button on your mouse and go ahead and drag to include all the parts that you want to copy. So I'm just going to do it like that. And then it copies straight to your clipboard. You can go ahead and just paste it. The one downside is it doesn't copy the indentations. So you're going to have to go in and kind of fix the code. But for the most part, it is really helpful. If you guys have any suggestions for any other videos you'd like to see, go ahead and leave it in the comments. And again, thank you for watching.